Welcome back to Ultimate Crypto Bureau channel. Today, we're going to continue to do the price predictions of three more projects, which I believe will do really well in next 9 to 12 months. So let's get cracking into these projects. First coin that we are going to cover today for the price prediction is called LayerZero. What is LayerZero? I just would like to give you a brief overview of what LayerZero is. LayerZero enables applications to move data across various blockchains in a unique way, supporting censorship-resistant messages and permissionless development of the smart contracts and makes the smart contracts unchangeable. So why do you think this protocol will do extremely well? Well, it's one of the best projects out there. It's a LayerZero. So you know how we have layer ones, layer twos, and layer threes. This is LayerZero. So it's an omni-chain basically, and allows us to move data between various blockchains in a more uniform way. So looking at the chart of LayerZero, when it was launched, obviously there was a lot of hype, and it launched and went all the way to 5.6 dollars per coin. However, it has gone down a little bit, and it has nicely recovered since then. So it's currently sitting at 3.7. And if you look at the maximum supply for a layer one massive blockchain protocol project, 1 billion, it's really, really small, guys. And we already have around 11% out in the market. We have some coming out in 277 days. So we don't have any new coins coming in the market until June 2025. And even then, that will be very small amount that is coming out. So if you look at the market cap, it's only for 427 million, which is absolutely nothing, to be honest, for such a big project. It's heavily backed by the VCs. Really good project. It's got a massive ecosystem as well, guys. And so, this project has got great potential. And I believe this product is absolutely undervalued. I mean, if I look at where Cardano was in 2021. This all-time high was about 60 billion. If this one reaches anywhere close to 20 billion market cap, we are looking at roughly around, 40 to 50x from the current price. And I believe this project can actually reach, at least I would say 10 to 15 billion market cap in next 9 to 12 months. And as a result of that, guys, I believe my price prediction for LayerZero, I'll be saying will be around, I would say, between 65 to $75 per coin. So, and primarily because this coin has been developing. There's a lot of projects actually are using LayerZero. It's a massive ecosystem as well, and it allows moving of data between across various blockchains, which is really, really powerful. And yeah, it's a great project, great team, great strong fundamentals, really backed well by the VCs as well. Not many supply coins available as well. Even if you look at the full FDV, if I do full FDV in this one, if we do around 60 billion market cap for full FDV, I believe that price will easily go to 10 billion. And as a result of that, we can easily look at around roughly around 65 to $75 average on average. So great project, heavily undervalued because it was launched, and after the launch, market has really tanked a little bit for it. However, I believe it's got a very strong fundamentals. And this, even if you hold this project for even like for 2028, 2029 bull market, it will do extremely well. I see this project going to 100 billion market cap, guys. This growing ecosystem is really big. It's massive. It's got a great team as well. A lot of adoption as well. So, absolutely fantastic returns. And as you can see, one of the key things that you need to look at is the private ROI. At the moment, is only not even 1.53x. The VCs will wait for this. They're not going to dump this project. They're going to wait for this project to go all the way up. At least we are looking at 25, 30, 40x from the current prices. Look at how much it is right now. right? Great potential, great team, heavily backed, so project cannot flop. It's got absolutely brilliant technology as well. Technology is really, really good. And, it's got a growing ecosystem and it's only getting bigger. So this could go all the way to 100 billion market cap easily, guys, easily. And that's when VCs will think, okay, right, now we can try and cash out a little bit. So it's got a great price move upward potential for this project, guys. And he hasn't. Good thing about this as well, this project is that he hasn't seen any bull markets yet. So there you go, guys. He hasn't seen a full bull market. Once he sees the full bull market, we will definitely see a massive amount of price increase for this one, because projects like this don't come along often enough. We don't have great layer ones either. Basically, we have we know everyone knows about Bitcoin, but however, you can't build anything on top of Bitcoin. You have Ethereum, right? Ethereum is heavily used, and it's the biggest smart contract platform. Then you have Solana, who's going to be competing with Ethereum, and I believe Solana's price will also, as we have discussed previously, will go much higher than what it is currently now. And after that, what do you have? You have Binance Chain, which I believe has got some potential, but obviously it's backed by the exchange, so anything could happen to it. Could go up or it could go down massively as well. Um, and what is there after that? I mean, you've got Avex, which I believe is also another really good layer one project, right? Then you have Sui, and after that, what do you have? Literally nothing to compare it, right? So this project has got great potential, very good technology. It's more advanced technology, so it's got a great chance of succeeding as a project and going absolutely berserk. And I would not be even surprised if it goes, over $100 easily, to be honest. And if you want to, accumulate it, keep it, make it, and this is one of the great projects that do to hold on to for long term as well, guys. It will have a really good long term appreciation as well, guys. So we're only looking at 4 to 5 years if you want to hold it for that long. And if this price will not exist afterwards, this price will not exist afterward. It will definitely go back up massively. And once it passes that $100 mark or even higher, even if it drops during the bear market, it probably will come down to like $30 or something, or $35. But I don't believe it's going to come down to this level of prices. So it's heavily undervalued. Okay, so the next project we are going to cover is called Celestia. What is Celestia? Celestia is a data modular blockchain that is used on data that is based on data availability, and this enables developers to easily create new blockchains. So Celestia is one of those projects, really big project, and I believe this project also has a massive potential. Again, the supply is only 1 billion, which is absolutely fantastic. Already 19 million, nearly 20% out in the market. Only 1.05 billion market cap. If you look at its all-time high market cap, it was 3.4, right? So as you can see, the price has already gone down. It went all the way to $20 or $21, actually, in fact, 2086 in February 2024. So even if it goes to that price, that's easily 5x, 4x from here, right? However, we are looking for much higher prices. And I believe this project has got an absolutely fantastic potential. Basically, this price, again, this is a project that is unique project. It's got a great team, great technology. There's a massive ecosystem that it has built already, right? It's a big ecosystem, guys. You can stake this, you get around 8 to 9% on any exchange, even on Kepler wallet as well. Absolutely great project. I believe this project also will go. I reckon this project will easily go around 100 billion market cap. It's an absolutely really good technology project. And again, why am I saying this? Because this project hasn't seen any full bull market yet. Secondly, the trading volume has been absolutely great, right? And total supply is only 1 billion tokens, which is absolutely nothing. Okay, you have got very listed on 31st of October 2023, about nearly a year ago, right? Great project, great potential. I believe this chart will go absolutely berserk, right? It went all the way to 21, nearly $21, and then came all the way down here. It's got great potential to keep going up. And one of the biggest advantages that Celestia has is the number of projects getting built on top of it. And what this allows you to do is if you stake Celestia, even say, for example, 3 to 4 years, or even for the next bull market in 2028 to 29, you will have so many other coins because of Celestia. You just need to stake Celestia in a Kepler wallet, and then you are going to have loads of airdrops for other projects that are built on top of Celestia. So one of the projects that just came out on built on top of Celestia, we are, Dymension, many other projects have come out and have given a massive airdrops, right? So this project you cannot allow yourself not to have this project in your portfolio. Basically, it's a great project, great technology, great team, doing fantastically well, growing ecosystem, really different project compared to anyone else. It's a modular blockchain technology, very first modular blockchain out there. So very first one. Again, anyone that is first one that always has the biggest market share. As you guys can see, the price also it's now appreciating slowly, going upwards, and I believe this will continue to go up for next 9 to 12 months. And my price prediction for Celestia, I would say this would easily do between 15 to 20x from current price. So if you're looking at 15 to 20x, we're looking at around anywhere between 80 to $100 market. My maximum, I would say, if you have really good decent amount of bull market, then I believe this will go easily to $100. I have strong belief that this Celestia and this project will do it. It's got a great potential, great team. I mean, absolutely fantastic team, heavily really there are big VCs behind this. As you guys can see, it's not being dumped at all by the VCs. They're holding it nicely. They're doing really well, right? So again, great potential, absolutely great potential. And projects like this don't come along. Slightly different, it's a first modular blockchain within crypto world. So something very unique. It's got a massive ecosystem, growth of ecosystem. So you will just keep growing. People are building on top of it. There are some massive blockchains that are getting built on top of it. So potentially, in terms of potential, in terms of the way the team is doing, in terms of the growing ecosystem, in terms of like the price appreciation, this is undervalued. I believe this should have been around at least $20 right now. It's undervalued. So you got a chance to get in before the big bull market starts, basically. And projects like this with just 1 billion market cap, with just 1 billion tokens and total supply. I mean, if this goes to 100 billion market cap, guys, this is an absolutely gem. Okay, this is an absolutely gem. So you got a great chance, right? You have easily good potential to make some good money on it. If you don't want to sell it, and if you think, I believe that in 2028, 2029 as well, if you hold it till then, this project Celestia possibly will be over $200. Easily will be over $200. If you stake it at 9% for next 4 years, you're laughing. You're laughing all the way to the bank, guys. And with the price appreciation that's going to happen on this coin, even if it comes down during the in the bear market, in the next bear market, it probably will go to from here to 100, will come down to around possibly 30, 35, roughly. Even if it comes down to 25, you will still be 5x from the price you get in, right? And plus you have got additional tokens that you have already staked. So you're going to get 9% reward, and which is great, I believe. And you're compounding. So by the time it's 2028, 2029, when it hits the bull market, this will possibly be one of the top 10 projects, easily the top 10 projects in my book. Great project, great potential. Everything is really good about this project. So hey, keep an eye on it. And yeah, the price prediction for myself is anywhere between $80 to $100 for this particular coin. Right. Next coin. It's called Dymension. Right. Why am I so bullish about this coin? Well, first and foremost, this coin is the roll-up. And what is Dymension, by the way? So Dymension is a modular settlement layer within the Cosmos ecosystem that facilitates the deployment of specialized roll-ups. So Dymension is the very first roll-up blockchain that allows the deployment of other roll-up projects, blockchains on top of it. Dymension has been created from Cosmos ecosystem. It's been using Celestia as a data layer as well. So as you guys can see, Celestia already got a massive project being run on it. And why I believe this project has got a great potential. Like, guys, have a look at this. Currently is 1.46, right? It came all the way when he was launched, it was an absolute fire. Went all the way till about $8.7. Right now is 1.45. So even if it reaches $8.7, you easily have, at least 5x from here, right? However, this project will do extremely well. It will go way beyond $8. And let's have a look at what the tokenomics looks like, guys. 20% out already in the market, right? Look at the market cap. Only 296 million market cap. I believe this has got great potential. I believe this will easily do around anywhere between 6 to 8 billion market cap, right? FDV with 1.4, this could easily reach 25 billion market cap as well. Full FDV I'm talking about. If you look at the price action, if you look at what it's trying to achieve, right? All-time high is one market cap. Again, this project has just been launched in February 2024, right? It hasn't seen a full bull market yet. It hasn't seen that banana zone yet. And anything could happen, guys, on this banana zone. So I believe, and look at the chart, it's nicely setting up. It's done its low here, right? With 1.2, $1, and now is now starts to go up basically. And I believe the price prediction for this one will be around, I would suggest around between $30 to $35 easily from current price. It will easily do a 30x because based on what we have here, right? The current market cap, I mean, it's 300 million. So if you look at 30x, we are easily looking at between 8 to 9 billion market cap, right? Easily achievable for projects like this. I mean, Dymension has got great potential. It can also stake Dymension in Capital Wallet. And on top of that, there are a lot of roll-ups being built on top of Dymension, meaning you're gonna get an airdrop. So if you stake Dymension and keep it, even for the next bull market coming in 2028, 2029, you have got great potential for it. And you will earn really good rewards. I mean, again, Dymension is paying anywhere around 3 to 5% per year. So obviously, it's not that much. However, it's got a great potential. I mean, you just have to look at the market cap. It's such a big project and the roll-ups getting built on top of it. You just have to look at, what's causing it, right? How the price will appreciate. Again, this was a fair launch. So there is no VC money involved in this one at all, right? No VC money involved. Fair launch, great project, really good team, doing extremely well, and very low market cap as well for a layer 1 roll-up blockchain, which is like they're the pioneers of roll-up blockchain. So something very, very unique. Again, this project will easily jump up in the ranking and it should do extremely well. So I'm looking at around $30 to $35 price range for Dymension, and this will easily can achieve it even for the current price. So we're looking at around 25, around, I would say about 22 to 25x from the current price will get us between $30 to $35 market cap. So there you guys, folks. There you guys go. There you go, guys. We are now end of this video. Anything discussed on this video is my own opinions, and please do your own research before you invest in any crypto projects. Crypto projects are highly volatile and there is no guarantee of any success in crypto projects. So have a great day and I'll see you guys in the next video.